What's going on, everybody? Eagle Chronicles. So today there will be a car meet, and I'm excited for it. I will have to drive 40 minutes to get there. Yesterday there was another one, about 30-minute drive. I actually went there, but I didn't record anything because there was an emergency. I couldn't stay there longer. But listen to this. I come back home. I watch stories. Amazing cars. I missed out. But anyways, aside from that, there's a second one over there that's happening today. Let's go to it. Let's see what they got. And I am happy and excited for this. Let's head out.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side. As the shadow crosses mine, what it takes to warm my
Diamonds go like crazy.
It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny.
That's fine, I'ma told you.
Let it go.
Before the night, shut it only talk too much. I was thinking one I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your dad. What a sweet that shit I can say, what is that I can't describe. She'd always made it on me, I know, but how can I feel so hard? I do not use you the street fight. You been jamming on top of the way back. You do not have to say that. We lie, yeah. I tryna go find that play without you find out in that you. You don't know what this that. That's fun, I'ma told you.
I always ask myself, baby, don't know how to find true love. The detail in my life.
Miss me, don't touch your dad. What a sweet that shit I can say, what is that I can't describe. She'd always made it on me, I know, but how can I feel so hard? I do not use you the street fight. You been jamming on top of the way back. You do not have to say that. We lie, yeah. I tryna go find that play without you find out in that you. You don't know what this that. That's fun, I'ma told you.
I always ask myself, baby, don't know how to find true love. The detail in my life left out, cause now I'm a dove.
That's fun, I'ma told you. Before the night, shut it only talk too much. I was thinking one I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your dad. What a sweet that shit I can say, what is that I can't describe. She'd always made it on me, I know, but how can I feel so hard? I do not use you the street fight. You been jamming on top of the way back. You do not have to say that. We lie, yeah. I tryna go find that play without you find out in that you. You don't know what this that. That's fun, I'ma told you.
I always ask myself, baby, don't know how to find true love. The detail in my life left out, cause now I'm a dove.
Everyone, so I don't know if you guys remember last time the Infinity, supercharged Infinity. Here he is again over here. What's going on, brother?
Hey, oh good, oh good.
Oh, good, brother. Listen, he's the one who, told me about this car meet. And damn, bro, what you think so far? What do you think about this place?
Great vibe. I love the greenery here. It's a hidden gem here.
Exactly,
Really?
exactly. So what's your favorite car so far? Which one's your favorite?
So far, well, it was a AMG GT3 parked here. They left, but
I know.
that was amazing. And that Porsche there, it's also really, really nice.
I took a
I mean,
shot
all
at that
cars
one.
here are.
Yeah, I took a shot at that one. I had to take a shot. Anyway, where's your car? So you parked over there. I'm gonna go back to it. So after I'm done with this spot over there, I'll go back to it. I gotta take a shot because last time was during the night. This time is during the day. I'm gonna do a crystal clear shot of it.
Nice, nice. Make sure you get the Abarth that is parked behind my car, and
Yeah.
also the GR Supra here.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber and stuff, like really cool cars.
Okay, bet. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. You know
And the
what?
owners are right here, so
I'm gonna ask you a question, and I'm gonna ask some people over here before when I post it. So the question is, if you had $100,000 and you had one car to pick, what would it be?
I think it would be one. I don't know if 100,000 would be enough, but it would be.
You know why I picked 100,000? Because say if I say 500,000, of course it'll be a Lamborghini. I want a reasonable car.
Wow, nice,
So
nice.
something reasonable.
Okay. Well, I was thinking about the Eleanor Mustang 67.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then that one has a lot of upgrades into it, right?
Yeah, but it's
Muscle
gonna be
car.
like more than $1 million, I think.
Hey, good choice, good pick. No, it's a good pick. have over here?
Well, Toyota Gazoo Racing. I've been a fan of Toyota Gazoo. I've been a fan of Toyota Gazoo Racing for a long time, so I figured I'd do the same idea with my vehicle right here, and took a lot of time and effort, but I got it done. Just a lot of money. So,
Walk me through. Let's
yeah, all right. Well, let me open this up right here for you. Let me open this up. There we go. Got the VX audio system in here. I got the airbag set up here. Right here, I got right over here on all the wheels. I got Lexani wheels. They're all 101. Have them special made for this vehicle. There's not another one ever made for this vehicle here. So, and it's got the carbon fiber hood. It's all carbon fiber mirrors, back, sides, all this carbon fiber here. The inside is carbon fiber. It's all carbon fiber in there too as well. But
what you got going on in the engine?
all right. Well, it's got the HKS air intake. It's got the HKS down pipe with the Tome exhaust. Got all carbon fiber here. It's been tuned. We did the front end on here. It's all carbon fiber here. Then I got the. Got you.
So I got a quick question for you. Since you own the Supra, now let's be realistic, okay? Right this second, there's a lot of cars out there. A lot of people own German cars, everything. You know, now I'm gonna give you a budget. With this budget, you got to pick one car that you would buy right now, tune it, and be as fast as those guys over here. So $100,000. What car would you pick? And you in a budget?
I like the M3 right there, the purple one right there.
Talking about the M3 over there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not a car.
Okay, now you gotta show me your car. You gotta walk me through and see what you got. Cause this is unique. This is really unique, by the way.
What we have here, this is a 2030. Oh,
Just close your mouth and just say what you gotta say about this.
hey, I am Mr. My Red A-Bart. What do we have here is a 2013 A-Bart made by Fiat. So basically, I'm running a stage one. Come over here, I'll show you. I have it dropped, professionally done. I pop the hood, and it's a 5-speed. Kind of messy right now, but it's a 5-speed manual.
Manual.
Yeah, hell yeah. Gotta be a manual, man. You can't do an auto.
Oh, I know. I miss driving manual.
And let me show you under the hood right here. I'm pushing a stage one turbo.
Small engine, but quick, huh?
Ooh, yeah, fire.
Wow.
Core packs, racing core packs, 500 Madness. You got a cam in there, a bigger cam. Big turbo, well, big enough. And then, yeah.
Where's the turbo?
Right here.
Beautiful.
And then you have the fender well intake right here, this red one. It goes all the way down and sucks cold air from here. Or a catch can. Pretty built a little bit, not nicely built. Aluminum lightweight pistons. And it's a 1.4 liter high performance engine. But don't let it fool you because the weight of the car itself is around 2,000 pounds. So you look, yeah.
What are you pushing right now?
And this one here about 265, sometimes 270.
For that weight, that's quick.
You're right,
That's like
exactly.
basically a motorcycle right there.
Yeah, the pocket rocket. Razzo Rosso.
Perfect, brother. Perfect, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yep.
With the body of Oh, you dealing with the boss.
Is there?
And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it
She
to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss.
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill, me ain't too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine, and make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all the sauce.
And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
1100. Yeah, that one, it got me like crazy because I didn't know what it was at first. I was looking at it, I was like, what is a piston engine? Because it spools, like there's no pistons. It just keeps going. Yeah,
Rotary engine.
it's
Rotary
a rotor.
engine.
Yeah, it's a I did not know that. When I was looking at it, I was like, wait, what? So I was questioning it. I was like, that's just crazy. But yeah, that was an amazing car. What other car do you think?
Well, all these BMWs here,
German, baby, German.
German, and American beer also. It was.
The beer was top notch. Anyways, now I'm gonna ask him. What'd you think?
It was pretty good. I've been at a lot of car meets,
Yeah.
and I've noticed some really exotic cars, like that the Lambo that pulled up last minute.
Yeah.
Was pretty intense.
That was a last minute touch.
Last minute, great mint on the tee, you know.
I know.
And then the last minute rev battle and all that
Yeah,
good stuff. You know,
yeah,
that
yeah,
was
yeah.
pretty intense too. That was pretty cool. You know,
Exactly.
get there, adrenaline running. You know.
Well, sad truth about this, that rap battle, I didn't catch the sound. Oh no, I didn't. But it's okay. It's fine. I got the shot of it. I'm gonna do a little over music video in the future. I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna make sure I get the sound. But I got other sounds in the beginning of the video that you will see. But now here's a question for both of you. Out of all these cars that you guys saw, which one would you think that you would love to drive and you would like to buy or get, or is your favorite?
Oh, for me, the AMG that was parked there, GT3 specs, and that's one of my dream cars. So
Okay.
definitely.
That's a good one. That's a good one. What about you?
I would say either the GR, the Supra that was parked, or the Mazda.
Oh, the Mazda. Yeah, the Mazda. It's classic. You like classic, right?
Classic, man. Classic.
All right, all right.